Hi, I'm Melissa Jaramillo, Customer Relations Professional at Byrne. Today we're going to talk about how to install and use our Vesta's newest accessory, the Cargo Net. Before we get started, please note that this item is a service item and will not be included with your Vesta unless ordered separately. Cargo Net comes in 3 different colors: black, storm, and fog. That way you can accessorize Vesta to fit your space. Vesta Cargo Net comes in its own packaging. You will notice the 2 labels, top and bottom. The black top tag goes over the top of your Vesta's head. You want to make sure the smooth sides of the clips align with the head of the Vesta. It's important to ensure that the clips are facing in. The larger clip is the base clip and the smaller one is the head clip. Now, lift the smaller clip over the head and attach it to the metal lip. Cut the labels and hold the head clip while pulling down the large base clip. Attach it to the base. You'll know you did it right when you hear the click. Here's how you can keep your phone and other devices safe while charging. We recommend you use smaller devices at the top, like a phone, and larger devices like a tablet towards the base. Plug in your device, pick one of the spaces, separate the elastic bands, and place your device there. The most important step right now is to secure it by cinching the knots. Consider using a phone case as it'll give you more grip. Your hands are now free and your device is safely charging. As always, give us a call or contact your Byrne Customer Relations Professional with any questions or concerns. We are always here to help.